Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get more exposure on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, which of course ever you have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee to of course have a profile. But now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom of the screen, we have 5 options. We have everything about your profile. We have the messages where you can check out all of your messages. We have the plus button where you can go and put your own content, the explore tab, and at the end guys, we have the last thing, which is the is the for you page where you can check out videos that are made for you. But now guys, let's see how you can actually get more exposure on Likee. So first of all, what you need to do guys is go and understand your target audience. So when you understand your target audience, you can then move to the next step, which is of course what you need to do is go and create a high quality content. So your content needs to be high quality. If it isn't, nobody will watch it. Keep your videos short and sweet, of course. So this is a short form of videos. Do that. Catch the trends that are at the moment. Post consistently and at the right times. Use relevant hashtags. Team up with influencer. Try a duet. Use attractive captions and cross promote on other social media networks. And buy Likee views, as you can also do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.